He came from a family of 5 brothers. Played for the school football team at a time when kicking the wet football could land you in hospital. School didn't take a lot of his attention, but the love of motorbikes did. When he left school, he worked in the local pit, at a time when the mining industry was closing small ironstone mines in the area. He was on the very last shift at North Skelton Mine, and he got his face in a film about the end of that era. He started a family and focused on providing for them. Whilst doing this, he was also trying to save for his dreams. British Steel became a household name. Years of hard work, shift patterns, shift after shift. Holidays were a time to get away, family, sun, and of course, 1 or 2 beers. He wanted to move on. The new blast furnace was being built in 1979. He wanted to be a part of what it was promising. 356 feet high and capable of making 10,000 tons of iron per day. And a projected target of 12 million tons of steel annually. He started working there and helped make one of the finest products in the world, helping train newer, inexperienced lads at the very heart of steelmaking, in the belly of the beast. His partner's death brought home a whole new perspective of life. And 1 year after her death he retired. Retirement brought its challenges. A motorbike brought some relief. And so did spending time riding motorbikes with his sons at the weekend. Riding right across the North York moors. A hard life well lived was brought to a close in 2010. But the steel that he made lives on.